Hello. I got a package in the mail today from Miss Nina. Let's see what's in it. There it is. Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Miss Nina's freeze-dried goodness. Oh my God. I tell you what, this is a fat woman's dream. Asparagus. Oh yeah, baby. Cheesecake. Mmm. Gonna have to hide this. Watermelon. How cool. What? A sandwich. Those are gorgeous. How cool. Oh my gosh, Nina. You have made my week. Maybe even my month. Oh, I can't wait to crack these. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Nina. You are too kind, darling. Look at that box of Miss Nina's goodness. I am so excited. I have never had freeze-dried anything. Anyhow, Miss Nina, oh my God. Thank you so much. I cannot wait. I know. Who knew?
Yeah.
She's looking at the lasagna too. All right. Miss Nina, oh my God. Words. I don't have them. All right, cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Literally. I know the amount of work and time that went into this. I so appreciate it. It's an adventure. It really is for me. First timer. All right. Lasagna. Who knew? There is a whole ice cream sandwich in here.
A whole ice
A
cream?
whole ice cream sandwich. Look at this.
Cheesecake! Oh, I'm cheating. She's losing this.
No. I'm hiding this.
Cute. That's so cool.
Oh my gosh. I'm very seldom speechless, and again, you've left me speechless. Thank you. Thank you. All right, I gotta go. I'm thinking into some cheesecake.